Hey, welcome to another video. I have a problem with the battery of my electric car, the Chevrolet Bolt EV, the Opel Ampera-e. I have a very important tip I want to show you if you need to do maintenance on the changing of the fluids of your car. So the transmission fluid, the fluid of the heating system, the high voltage fluid. I had it done the other day at the dealer, thinking that I would get spectacular service and great fluid, and that they would do it according to the specifications. Here you can see the surge tanks, and they were all full, and as I started driving, the one of the transmission fluid was completely empty after 200 miles. And what's very important to know is that when you get this done at your dealer, regardless of what car you have, if you have a Bolt EV, if you have a Tesla, if you have a Hyundai, a Kia, is to make sure that when they do this transmission fluid change, that they do a vacuum pump to suck out all the air out of the tubes, because else if you put the transmission fluid in there, or any type of fluid in there, you'll get air bubbles. And as you start driving, these air bubbles dissolve, and then actually you don't have enough fluids in there. So now they have told me, imagine these bright people at the, former Opel dealer. This is now Stellantis, which is French. And they have taken over Chevrolet here in the Netherlands and in Germany. They say that, you just come by and we'll top it up for you. And in the meantime, you can fill this up with regular tap water. What a bunch of crap is that? It's like the lousiest and the most crappy advice I've ever received. Should be fired on the spot, because if you do that, you get all sorts of errors in your car. There are sensors in there that are calibrated to detect that there's anything else in there but the original coolant. And please don't follow such advice if you get it. I think I can drive home because we're still in the winter here in Germany. It's still cold, and I need to drive about 200 miles to get back to the Netherlands. And I don't need to fast charge, I have enough range. But if not, then please just call the roadside assistance and make sure you don't put anything else in there than the original coolant. So just a quick tip from me: if you need to change the fluids of your car, go to the dealer, whoever serves it, and demand that they confirm to you that they put a vacuum pump on there to make sure that all the fluids are distributed evenly, and you don't get nasty surprises and high voltage service notifications that I have right now, because you endanger your car and possibly also yourself driving it. Hope this was useful. Write me in the comments if this has ever happened to you too, where they've done it wrong, and how did you resolve it. And I hope to see you again in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.